Rethinking X. Bringing you information, entertainment, and ideas from a happening world.
Are you ready to transform your body and lose 20 pounds in just 4 weeks? Look no further, because the technique we are about to tell you is unique. This simple routine is guaranteed to get you the results you have been looking for years. Number 1. First, we introduce the meal walk strategy. Before each meal, take a 10-minute walk, whether it be in your backyard or within the comfort of your home. After your meal, take an additional 3-minute walk to maximize the effects. This will help reduce appetite and control weight by decreasing ghrelin, which is the hunger hormone, and increasing peptides. Number 2. Next, we focus on proper chewing techniques. To ensure maximum digestion and weight loss, make sure to chew each bite 32 times before swallowing. This triggers the release of insulin and glucagon, which help to regulate blood sugar levels. Number 3. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking a minimum of 8 glasses of water, totaling 2 liters. Number 4. We also prioritize sleep and napping. Aim for at least 6 hours of sleep at night, 8 is ideal. Make sure to be in bed before 11 p.m. and take a 20-minute nap after lunch. Number 5. Drink 2 cups of cinnamon and ginger tea daily. The ideal time is 11 a.m. in the morning and 2 hours after dinner. Simply add a small piece of minced ginger and a medium stick of cinnamon to a cup of boiling water. Cover for 5 minutes and enjoy. This regulates blood sugar levels. An impact on cortisol levels, which regulates stress response in the body. Follow this routine for 4 weeks and be amazed at how quickly you'll shed those stubborn pounds you've been struggling with for years. Don't wait. Start your journey to a healthier you today. To see the best results, avoid sugar, soda, and bakery items. Incorporate more proteins into your diet and limit carbs. Avoid protein snacks and bars, and limit black tea and coffee to no more than 2 cups a day. Don't wait. Start your journey to a healthier you today.